Good day everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how did I made my item analysis. In doing an item analysis, we have to obtain a data. The data contains the scores of the students or the respondents, and the number of items in the questionnaire. In my case, I have 10 respondents and 10 questions. So this part here shows the total scores of the students. This one here is the total number of my respondents. So instead of names of the respondents, I have put them in number. So in this part, it shows that it means that one corresponds that the respondent got the correct answer, and zero indicates that the they got wrong in the item. So in this part, in the bottom, it shows the total score of the students in the item number one and the item number two, and so on until the last item. So in doing an item analysis, we have first um, get the difficulty index. So the difficulty index, we have a formula of number so wait so the number of the students who got the correct answer minus the total number of the students. So in item number one, there are there are 10 students who got a correct answer. Item number one, divided by the total number of students. So I have 10 students divided by 10 equals 0. By the way, I am, I mean 1. I am utilizing my phone as my calculator, and as a device that I am using in the video for making the video. So therefore I cannot show you the solution, but I know for sure that this is the sure, because um, I have write it in my book already. So item number two, let's continue. So the total number of respondents who got correct is 7, divided by the total number of respondents equals 0.7. So in number 3, there are students who got correct, 9 students who got correct, divided by 10 is equals 0.9. And let's just continue this until the item number 10. So number 4, 8 divided by 10 is 0.8 until the last number. So the next part is getting the discrimination index. So discrimination index. So the discrimination index, we have to multiply the number of the respondents. So I have 10 respondents. Divide Multiply by 0.25, which is it is to get uh, the the 25% of the total population of my respondents. So the answer is 10 times 25 is 2.5. So In this part, we will gonna apply the round up. So the round up. So 2.25, since 5 is higher. So I will gonna put 3. So the 3 here means that we have to get uh 3 items, 3 students, 3 respondents who got the three highest and 3 lowest. So we will get back to the data. So in this course, so we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 uh, highest number, the 10 and 9. So we only need 3, so we will gonna have 3. So this one 10, so we're gonna choose this one is the highest. And there are 4 respondents who got 9. We will gonna have 2 more, so we're gonna choose these respondents. And choosing the lowest, there are a respondent who got 6. So it's one of by the way, I have colored it already. uh, these ones are the highest, and this one is the determinant of kuan kanang lowest. So 6 lowest, and we're gonna choose one. We will gonna need one na lang, so I will gonna choose this one 7. So going back to the discrimination index, so uh, in the discrimination index, mag-country ang subtraction. I'm sorry, sige raw ko sa'yo. Okay. The subtraction here, the formula is the upper or the highest scorer minus the lowest or the lower scorer, divided by the 3, which is our determinant of the population. So 3. In item number 1, in this discrimination index, we will gonna find in item number 1, we will gonna find who got how many got the correct answer in the 3 highest scorer and the 3 lowest scorer. So in item number 1, uh, in the highest scorer, 1, 2, 3, 3 got the correct answer, minus the lowest. So in the lowest scorer, 1, also 3 got correct answer, divided by 3, it is equals 3 minus 3 is 0, minus 3 is divided by 3 is 0. So in item number 2, in the highest scorer, 1, 2, 3, 3 got correct answer, and the lowest scorer 0, 0, 1. So 1 got correct answer, divided by 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 divided by 3 is 0.66. In item number 3, in the highest scorer, 3 got correct answer, and In the lowest scorer, 1, 2, 2 got correct answer, minus 2. So, divided by 3. So, 3 minus 2 is 1. Divided by 3 is 0.33. And this process will continue until the last item. So, now let us proceed to the reliability test. So, in reliability test, there are two formula, but I will utilize the KR20 formula. So, KR20 is K minus 1 divided K minus 1 times 1 minus the sum of PQ divided by the variance. So, the K here stands for the respondents, which I have 10 respondents, and K minus 1 is 10 respondents minus 1 is equals 9. And P here is the same as the difficulty index, in which in item number 1, I have the answer in the difficulty index as 1. In number 2, I have the answer of 0.7, and in number 3, I have the answer of 0.9, and in number 4, I have the answer of 0.8, and in item number 5, I have the answer of 0.5, and in the item number 6, I have the answer of 0.9, and so on until the last. And in getting the the Q, so the Q is the 1 minus the difficulty index. So 1 minus the difficulty index. So 1 minus, in number 1, we have since the 1 is the number 1 is constant, 1 is constant as the so a constant number in subtraction. So 1 minus 1 is 0, and in number 2, I have 1 minus this one, 0.7. 0.7 is equal to 0.3. Number 3, 1 minus 0.9 is equals 0.1. This will continue until the last number, until number 10. Now in getting the P and Q, P and Q is the multiplication of P and Q. So this one, P and Q. So in item number 1, 1 times 1 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. And in item number 2, we have 0.7 times 0.3. 0.7 times 0.3. It is equals to 0.21. So in item number 3, 0.9. 0.9 times 0.1. times 0.1 is equals to 0.09. So it will continue until the last number, which is the number 10. So these are the answers of our P and Q, the multiplication of P and Q. In getting the sum of the P and Q, we will gonna add these numbers here. We will gonna add this number. Uh, we'll just gonna uh, 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 i-plus na to ni tanan siya. So the the sum of P and Q here is 1.42. So it means that the answer of here in the sum of the P and Q, we're gonna k minus 1. So no, it is already 1.42 over the variance. So over the variance. Now, let us proceed in getting the variance. Since I do not have the calculator, so ang ginawa ko po ay nagmano-mano po ako. Ginawa ko kung paano kunin ang variance sa manual na solving. So, I have the formula in getting the variance. So, S squared, it stands for the variance of the sample, equals the sum of the x bar differences uh, between each data point minus the sample mean represented the is bar. So I have first list the data. So I have to make a table for the data. My data here is the scores of the students. There are 6, 7, so 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 6, 10, 7, 8, and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have the data here, the scores of the respondents, and also the square differences between each data point minus the sample mean. We also have to get the where's my paper? We also have to get the x bar differences minus the mean with the represented as bar. First, we have to get the total of this data, the sum of the data. So 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 10 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is equals 80. So 80 x sample mean minus equals the sum of x differences, no, the square differences minus the n. So so our square differences is 80. The sum of the data is 80, uh, divided by the total number of the respondents. So the data here has 10 items, 10 numbers, which represent the respondents. So I have 10 respondents. So 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. So it means that the our sample mean is 8, and it will represent as our um here. So it is 8, our sample mean, minus the our data minus the sample mean. So 6 minus 8 is equals to -2. It is equals to -2. 7 minus 8 is -1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 6 minus 8 is -2. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 8 is -1. And 8 minus 8 is 0. And 9 minus 8 is 1. The next part is the getting the S bar equals sum of x differences minus the sample mean represented the S bar divided by n minus 1. So in getting this um, data, we have to get the squared of the we have to get the x squared of these numbers. So the squared of 2 is equals to 4. -1 is 1. 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 0, and 1. So we have to add it all up. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 minus our n, our sample mean, or n minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So the answer is 2.57. So this is our variance. So k is 10 minus 9, 1 minus 1.42 divided by the variance 2.57 is equals to 10 over 9 divided by 9. So this one is 0.47, and 10 divided by 9 is 0. 10 divided by 9 times 0.447 is 496. So this is our reliability test.